Exit hardware is typically a push bar or touch bar that extends across the door. In addition, exit hardware may have a knob or lever pull handle on the outside of the door opening. Panic hardware is an exit device which is tested for use on a door that is required to have panic hardware but cannot be used on a fire door. Panic hardware typically has a dogging feature, which allows the latches to be held retracted to create a push-pull function. Fire exit hardware is an exit device which is tested for both panic and fire conditions and is required to be used on fire doors where panic hardware is required by code or desired for durability. Since fire doors require positive latching, fire exit hardware does not incorporate mechanical dogging. Emergency exit doors are meant to remain locked from the outside and may contain alarmed exit hardware. The door will open from the inside and will sound an alarm upon use. There's a reason for fire codes and fire-rated door hardware. On December 30th, 1903, the Iroquois Theater in Chicago was the site of the deadliest theater fire and the deadliest single building fire in the United States history. At least 602 people died, and most of those lost were children. The theater did not have adequate fire exits. Many of the doors were locked from the inside to prevent people from sneaking in. Exit hardware, as well as many building codes, were introduced as a result of this tragedy. Over time, the following rules and codes have been implemented. There must be an adequate amount of exit doors, and those exit doors must open out. Locking devices must be designed to engage and release the latch regardless of how much pressure is on the door. So nobody's going to be turning levers or doorknobs. We're going to push on something. Doors must be wide enough to allow an adequate flow of traffic. Doors cannot be locked from the inside. And door openings must be fire rated to protect other parts of the building. A fire-rated door opening includes an automatic closing device, ball-bearing hinges made of stainless steel, a positive latching mechanism, and smoking glass seals. These doors are generally required for corridors and stairwells. If there's one thing I'd like you to take away from this session, is to know about fire-rated door openings and fire-rated door hardware. When you're replacing hardware for a door, ask this question. Is this door opening fire rated? If yes, follow up with, does the replacement hardware have the appropriate fire rating? Never assume this. Always ask. And never cut corners when it comes to fire ratings.